Yo, so it's been a minute since I updated you guys. I'm going to get the head unit on, which is that. I had to take off the intercooler because these brackets were too big. These brackets were too big, so I had to get something else, cut them a little shorter. And so, yeah, the car's still coming along. I still have to, like I said, metal shavings? Oh, from this probably. But new injectors are in, new spark plugs are in. Fuel rail is kind of cleaned up. I'm going to get the head unit mounted today, and then the intercooler piping, and hopefully, we make some progress today. I still have the fuel pump to do. That's sitting over there, up on top. That's sitting up there, so yeah, let's get after it. Like I said, I'll update you guys when I get the intercooler mounted, which I'm probably going to do first, or maybe the head unit, not really sure. Probably the head unit, actually, because I had to go to O'Reilly's to get a new belt. I could have ran the 14-pound pulley, but I don't want to make that much boost because I'm still a stock motor, so I don't want to blow it. That is the 10-pound pulley. So yeah, man, let's get after it. Like I said, I'm going to mount it and then update you guys in a minute. I feel like O'Reilly belts just got cheaper and cheaper by the years, as the years went on. I don't know why, but this belt feels really cheap to me. Well, I do know why, because it's O'Reilly's, but nonetheless, we ain't talking about it. Let's get this all mounted up. Around the water pump, alternator. Going around the crankshaft. Through the tensioner. Why do I feel like this belt is so long? And we are twisted up somewhere. There we go. No, we're not. I feel like that belt is way too long. I'm not understanding why it's... Oh my gosh. Getting so mad. So... belt is finally lined up except for on one pulley. And that one pulley is the idler down there. And a little bit right there. Everything else is kind of lined up. Oh, that was a pain in the butt. A lot of people say you can't get the tensioner down there, but if you leave it loose, you can get a ratchet on the tensioner. That's what I have down there. And the power steering pulley is still off, but it's been a pain in the butt, and I'm kind of making progress now, so kind of happy. But again, it's just absolutely the worst thing to deal with ever. Need a flat head. So I got the bracket cut for the intercooler. Now I'm going to drill bolt holes for the mount for the intercooler. Put it on a box. There we go. Made it through. Perfect on that side, kind of crappy on that side, whatever. Cool. So, this fucking supercharger build has been an absolute nightmare, to say the least. Alright guys, so I'm super excited. Intercooler piping is on. Intercooler is on. I need head studs for the head unit right here that go into the valve cover. I need one right there, and the other one is right here. You can't really see it. I also had a fuel leak somewhere back here. This hose right here was leaking. Fixed that. Head unit's mounted. It's a little off right here, but I'll rotate the engine and get that figured out. I have the oil feed line right here and the oil return line to do still. I have the fuel pump to throw in, and I think that's pretty much it. So I'm beyond stoked. I'm excited to hear this thing rumble and sound like a jet. Super stoked about it. It's gonna make some good power. I feel like I got the feel system for it. Brand new spark plugs, like I was saying. Here are the old fucking ones over here. There's all the old shit. So yeah, man. Get excited, because you know you boys excited. About to make some power, like you said. Head units on. So yeah, so I haven't been filming much because it's frustrating, to say the least. I'm by myself here, you know, so it's just kind of one of those things. It's hard to pick up the camera when both your hands are busy and you know, you're in the middle of something. But yeah, man, I'm super excited, super stoked about it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get my dirty ass out of here, go take a shower, do all that. But yeah, get excited. See y'all tomorrow. Like I said, I'm gonna be buttoning everything up, get the fuel pump in, and get it aligned because I need an alignment. You see that? Okay, so it's poking out on that side. Look. And just poking out on this side. So I will be getting an alignment. I had to replace the tie rod ends. But yeah, man, I'm so stoked. It's coming along. I'm gonna put the blow off valve, so I'm gonna tee it somewhere up here in the intake manifold, somewhere. I'll figure it out. I don't even know where that goes. That's cool. Oh, it goes right there. Okay. But yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. All right, man. So fuel tank's about to be out. I'm gonna get these. Man, I'm so stoked. Gas tank is out. Super excited about it because it was a pain in the ass. You can't see nothing. Fuel filter is still stuck up there. Surprise, surprise. This car is like a 40-year-old car, so everything is stuck, welded on, sealed shut. I had to fish something out the gas tank, and it was a pain in the... Replace the fuel pump. I'm gonna sweep all this shit off so I don't get crumbs or whatever in the gas tank, and then yeah, I had to fish out that grommet. That sucked. Smells like just straight up gas in here. I spilled gas everywhere right there, right here. So yeah, let's pop open this fuel cap and see what's happening. God damn, this thing is dusty. Looks like a whole damn new freaking fuel tank. This thing looks brand new, shit. Look brand new, pretty much. I mean, for a 30 damn 40, 50-year-old car. Can you guys see that? Oh no. Oh my lord, it's out. Okay. Oh my lord, I'm bleeding. clean up this blood and I'll get right back to you. But fuel pump is out, so let's get to replacing it. Be right back. So I'm just replacing the sock and throwing it back in. If I can get this out. There's one side. There's the other, theoretically. There we go. Socks out. Oh, I gotta clean that up. That looks like shit. Fuel pump assembly is back in. Now time to throw it up in the car. I'm going to get that fuel filter out right now, so wish me luck, and I'll get back to you when it's in the car. Time to get this damn fuel filter out, because I have a new one, so. It's just not coming out. I don't know why. It's not fucking coming. It's really just fucking not. Ah! That was the most fucking stupidest shit. It's sitting right there. I had to fucking yank on it till my damn arm broke. God, that was just fucking stupid, man. For what? I'm getting fucking lightheaded. All this gas is fucking pissing me off. Just fucking stupid. Never again am I doing a fucking fuel pump. It's gonna be the last damn one I ever do. Until I fucking retire. Go fuck that.